And to tackle the blaze, residents joined thousands of firefighters in Portugal, working to try and subdue more than 100 separate fires. Authorities say this fire has already claimed dozens of lives and injured more than 50 people.
Obviously, we would like to present our deepest condolences to the families of these victims. At this time, there are 145 active fires, which are being battled by 4,127 firefighters.
Across the border in Spain, it's a similar scenario. People in the Spanish region of Galicia pass buckets of water in a desperate attempt to battle the flames.
All of
Galicia cries this morning to see that some of our mountains have been burned. But Galicia cries especially for the death of 3 people that have been confirmed.
Spanish authorities have said the strong winds from the storm named Ophelia fanned the flames, but are pointing to human causes for starting the fire.
What we're dealing with here is something that is not caused by accident. It has been provoked. A big fire began in the morning at 5 different points. So as you can see, it's impossible for this to be triggered under natural circumstances.
This, though, is becoming a familiar scene. Both Spain and Portugal have been susceptible to warm, dry conditions that enables these fires to spread so rapidly. In Portugal in June, 64 people were killed when they were trapped in their cars trying to escape the fires. Local media outlets have in the past condemned what they say is the government's ageing and inadequate forest fire strategy. As the death toll continues to climb in both countries, the question of whether more can be done to prevent loss of life is again likely to be raised. Sara, Firth, TRT World.